The secret of responsible investment. Welcome to our video on responsible investing. In today's episode, we'll talk about the basics of investing and how you can make responsible investment decisions. We will cover topics such as understanding the risks and benefits of different investments, selecting the right investments for you, diversifying your portfolio, and regularly monitoring your investments. We will also talk about the advantages of using a financial advisor and the common mistakes you should avoid. Don't forget to invest in yourself and your future. Don't miss the secrets of responsible investment. It goes beyond the exclusion of bad companies. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to enter the world of responsible investment. This form of investment goes beyond the traditional approach of simply seeking financial profitability. It involves considering environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors in investment decisions, and is increasingly becoming a crucial aspect of modern investment strategies. By exploring the concept of responsible investing, we will discover its implications, different strategies, and its growing importance in the global financial landscape. Responsible investing, also known as sustainable and socially responsible investing, is a comprehensive strategy that aims to have a positive impact on society and the environment, while generating financial profitability. It is not simply about excluding certain companies from investment portfolios for ethical reasons, but about actively seeking companies and projects that contribute to a positive society and environment. This approach takes into account a wide range of factors, including the company's carbon footprint, its labor practices, and the diversity of its board of directors, among others. It is important to note that responsible investing is not a new concept. However, it has undergone significant evolution in recent years, with an increasing number of investors and asset managers recognizing the importance of considering ESG criteria in their decision-making processes. This shift has come about, in part, due to growing awareness of the potential impact of investment decisions on the world at large. As a result, responsible investing has gained momentum as a way to align financial goals with positive social and environmental impact, marking a fundamental shift in the investment landscape. The incorporation of responsible investment strategies has brought about a notable change in the way investors evaluate the potential returns and risks of their investments. By integrating ESG factors into investment analysis, investors are better equipped to identify both potential opportunities and risks that may not be evident when focusing solely on traditional financial metrics. This comprehensive approach allows investors to make more informed decisions that take into account not only the financial implications, but also the broader effects of their investments on the world around them. ESG analysis to assess risk and performance. When it comes to responsible investing, integrating ESG factors plays a critical role in assessing the sustainability and long-term impact of an investment. Environmental factors evaluate the company's impact on the environment, such as its carbon emissions, use of natural resources, and approach to climate change. Social factors encompass the company's relationships with its employees, suppliers, customers, and the communities in which it operates. This includes considerations of employment practices, diversity and inclusion, and the company's contributions to the social well-being of its stakeholders. Governance factors, for their part, focus on the company's leadership, executive compensation, shareholder rights, and the company's overall governance structure. Furthermore, the integration of ESG criteria into investment analysis has been shown to have a positive impact on investment performance. Numerous studies have demonstrated the correlation between strong ESG practices and superior long-term financial performance. By considering a broader range of factors that can influence a company's performance, responsible investors are better positioned to identify resilient and visionary companies, well equipped to navigate the complex challenges of the modern business landscape. Many investors have not yet incorporated it. Despite the unquestionable argument for responsible investing and growing evidence of its potential to generate positive impact and financial returns, a significant number of investors have not fully incorporated responsible investment strategies into their decision-making processes. This may be due to a lack of understanding of potential benefits, perceived complexity, or lack of clear guidelines for integrating ESG factors into investment analysis and decision-making. It is essential to recognize that the successful integration of responsible investment strategies requires a deep understanding of ESG factors and their implications for investment decision-making. This includes the ability to access and analyze relevant data, incorporate ESG considerations into traditional financial models, and develop a clear understanding of how these factors can influence the long-term performance of investment portfolios. Furthermore, the availability of ESG data and the development of robust analytical tools have played a crucial role in strengthening investors' ability to effectively integrate responsible investment strategies into their investment processes. Education and awareness also play a key role in addressing the current gap in the adoption of responsible investment strategies. By providing investors with access to comprehensive and reliable information on the impact of ESG factors on investment performance, as well as the tools and resources necessary to effectively integrate these considerations into their decision-making processes, the investment community can work to foster greater understanding and appreciation of responsible investment strategies. Environment and social factors are increasingly important. The growing importance of environmental and social factors in investment decisions reflects a broader recognition of the interconnection between the global economy, society, and the environment. As the implications of climate change, resource scarcity, and social inequality become more evident, investors recognize the material importance of these factors for the long-term sustainability of companies and the stability of the global financial system. Furthermore, consideration of environmental and social factors not only aligns with the ethical and moral imperatives of responsible investing, but also presents a compelling business case. Companies that proactively address environmental and social challenges are better positioned to mitigate risks, capitalize on new opportunities, and demonstrate their commitment to long-term value creation. As a result, the integration of environmental and social factors into investment analysis is increasingly recognized as a fundamental aspect of sound investment practices, with the potential to generate positive outcomes for investors and the world at large. Definitions and philosophies. In the field of responsible investing, various terms and philosophies guide the approach and decision-making process of investors and asset managers. From impact investing, which focuses on generating positive social and environmental impact alongside financial returns, to ethical investing, which involves aligning investment decisions with personal values and beliefs, the responsible investing landscape is characterized by a diversity of approaches and strategies. A key philosophy underpinning responsible investing is consideration of long-term value creation for clients and beneficiaries. This principle underscores the importance of valuing investments based on their potential to generate sustainable and impactful returns over an extended time horizon, rather than focusing exclusively on short-term financial gains. By prioritizing long-term value creation, responsible investors seek to align their investment objectives with the broader goal of fostering a more sustainable and prosperous future for both the current and future generations. Sustainable fund strategies. Responsible investing is often facilitated through the use of sustainable and socially responsible funds, which are specifically designed to integrate ESG factors into the investment process. These funds employ a range of strategies, such as positive screening or best-in-class selection, thematic investing, and impact investing, to direct capital towards companies and projects that have strong ESG practices and contribute to results. Positive for society and the environment. Positive screening involves actively selecting companies that demonstrate leadership in ESG performance within their respective sectors or industries, allowing investors to direct capital toward leaders in sustainability and responsible business practices. Thematic investing, on the other hand, focuses on specific environmental or social themes, such as renewable energy or healthcare accessibility, offering investors the opportunity to support initiatives that align with their values and contribute to positive outcomes for the society. Impact investing focuses on investments aimed at generating measurable social and environmental impact alongside financial returns, providing investors with a direct means of contributing to positive change in the world. ISR or SR related concepts. Within the realm of responsible investing, two related concepts often arise: socially responsible investing, SRI, and responsible investing, SRI. Although these terms are used interchangeably, they generally encompass similar approaches to investment decision-making, focusing on integrating ESG considerations and seeking positive social impact alongside financial returns. The distinction between the two lies mainly in the regional and historical context in which they have been used, with SRI being the most used term in the United States and ISR prevailing in Europe and other regions. Regardless of the specific terminology, the underlying goal of both approaches is to align investment strategies with ethical, environmental, and social considerations, reflecting a broader shift toward investment practices that prioritize generating positive social and environmental impact alongside returns. Financial key: create long-term value. At the heart of responsible and sustainable investing is the fundamental principle of creating long-term value for both investors and society as a whole. By integrating ESG considerations into investment decision-making, investors are better placed to identify opportunities that not only offer the potential for attractive financial returns, but also contribute to the advancement of environmental sustainability, social progress, and better practices. Solid government. This dual objective of driving positive impact and ensuring sustainable financial returns highlights the underlying philosophy of responsible investing, positioning it as a powerful and impactful approach to investment management. The commitment to long-term value creation extends beyond the financial realm and involves holistic consideration of the broader implications of investment decisions on the well-being of communities, the environment, and future generations. This forward-looking approach represents a significant departure from traditional investment strategies and signals a fundamental shift in the way investments are conceived, evaluated, and pursued, highlighting the transformative potential of responsible investing to shape a more sustainable and equitable for all. Booming in Spain. In recent years, responsible investment has been gaining significant momentum in Spain, with a notable increase in the volume of assets managed through responsible investment strategies. This trend reflects the growing recognition by investors, asset managers, and financial institutions of the potential of responsible investing not only to generate financial returns, but also to foster a positive impact on society and the environment. The rise of responsible investing in Spain highlights the changing dynamics of the investment landscape, with an increased focus on sustainable and socially responsible investment practices that align with the evolving priorities of investors and the global community in his set. Conclusion. In conclusion, responsible investing is increasingly important for investors as it involves taking environmental, social, and governance factors into account in investment decisions. By learning the basics, understanding the risks and rewards, diversifying your portfolio, and regularly monitoring your investments, you will be able to make informed and responsible decisions. It may also be beneficial to consult with a financial advisor. Don't fall into common mistakes and remember to invest in yourself and your future.